fortunate to have been raised in Kaivalyadhama Yoga Institute in Lonavala. Informally, I have been teaching yoga for more than 35 years, but formally, I got into teaching yoga for the last 15 years, yoga in general, but pranayama in particular. And through these years, I have seen firsthand the amount of benefit at a physical, psychological, and a spiritual level that yogic practices have bestowed on them and transformed their lives. So this ritual of Anushthana was conceived and initiated by Swami Digambarji, who was the first disciple of Swami Kaivalyadhama. And this very ritual was kept alive by Swami Maheshanandaji and Shri Tiwari ji. Anushthana essentially means, from a Patanjali's point of view, Abhyasa plus Vairagya. It is practice incentive, and also it is highly a disciplined program where one focuses on pranayamic practices, Om recitation, Gayatri recitation, meditational techniques, and of course gaining a deeper knowledge of the concepts of yoga in general and Patanjali Yoga Sutras in particular. In the past 15 years, I have had the privilege of being a part of the lives of thousands of people all around the globe. And I'm really fortunate to find myself to be an instrument that is helping to spread the message of yoga as Swami Kaivalyadhama wanted us to do in this institute. And I have seen lives of numerous people being transformed. A recent case being an individual who I cannot really name had a severe anxiety disorder. And I wouldn't say that yoga helped them overnight, but throughout a year or two, I have seen personally their lives being transformed, and they no more suffer from this disorder because they practice yoga on a regular basis. So the science of yoga is really functional in nature, and it works. There is no more proof of that than this great personality, Swami Kaivalyadhama, who founded this institute, Kaivalyadhama, 100 years ago, where yoga has been taught in a methodical manner, supported by science and philosophical research. And the effects of yoga have been validated time after time and generations after generations right in this institute. And that is what we are going to teach as a part of Anushthana. Pranayama and meditational techniques are going to be the mainstay of the Anushthana, along with Ishwar Pranidhan in the form of Havan, Agnihotram, or fire ceremony. So I really invite you all, and I'm really looking forward to see you all to be a part of this Anushthana. Thank you very much. Looking forward to see you.